Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another Photopea video. This is going to be a follow-up to my last one, but instead of the banner, it's going to be the logo. So this is the Thanksgiving logo template, and the project links will be in the description, so just click on that link and you'll be here in this project. And basically what we're going to do is just go to your move tool up here, double click on the text, and you can change it to whatever letter you want. So since mine's Cambit, it's a C. Say yours is like Ronald or something, R. Basically whatever letter your name starts with, that's what it will be. Hit that check mark. The rest of this you don't need to mess with, but you can tweak some things, I guess, if you want. And this project is 800 by 800 for the logo. So let's say you want to export it now. Just go up to File, Export as PNG. Make sure this is 800 by 800 and the quality is at 100. Now just hit save. And you will see here that it downloaded the project, and now you can just upload this to YouTube and it should work. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.